Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be doing my Capricorn Zodiac video. I missed doing it a few weeks ago because of Christmas and New Year's. I was doing those videos. So I'm going to be doing my Capricorn video now. And probably next week I'll be doing my Aquarius video. So yeah. So Capricorn, I'm obviously going to be reading a little bit about it, like I usually do. So I'm just going to put my paper right there. So Capricorn is from December 22nd to January 19th. Their stone is ruby and black onyx. It's very hard to find like the actual stones because things that I go on, like I'm just going on random websites, and the websites that I do go on, they like give me a bunch of them. So yeah. Anyways, so they're a cardinal zodiac, which is like the leaders. We went through all that cardinal, fixed, and whatever stuff in my previous video, so I'm not going to be talking about that again. Their element is earth. Their color is brown and black. Their lucky day is Saturday. And their lucky numbers are 4, 8, 13, and 22. Which is pretty cool because December 22nd is, I guess, would be the lucky number, right? Their strengths are that they are responsible, disciplined, they have self-control, good manners, and they are detail oriented. Their weaknesses are that they are a know-it-all, they're unforgiving, condescending, and expecting the worst. Likes are tradition, family, music. Dislikes, it's literally on all websites. It said almost everything at some point. So relatable. And so like basically they're serious, stubborn, and they're real followers. But yeah, that's what we got for Capricorn.
Never let me close your eyes, only got one night. Just put your trust in me, give me everything. I need your love tonight, so baby please don't fight it. Put your trust in me, I'll give you everything. So hold on to me, never let me go. Right here in your arms is where I wanna be. Trust in me, give me everything. I need your love tonight, so baby please don't fight it. Put your trust in me, I'll give you everything. So hold on to me, never let me go. Right here in your arms is where I wanna be. Come on. Bass, 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 bass. close your eyes. Only got one night, just put your trust in me. Give me everything, I need your love tonight. So baby, please don't fight it, put your trust in me. I'll give you everything, so hold on to me. Never let me go, right here in your arms is where I wanna be.
Okay, so I just bought the Fenty concealer and their powder, so I'm gonna be using that today, and obviously I'm gonna be using it with my Fenty foundation.
Just put your trust in me, give me everything, I need your love tonight. So baby, please don't fight it, put your trust in me, I'll give you everything, so hold on to me. Never let me go, right here in your arms.
So I got the shade 145 for the concealer. It's one of their new shades. My foundation shade is 150, I think. Yeah. So I just went one up. Shade Butter. I think it's their lightest shade. But yeah, we're going to use that.
Don't fight it, put your trust in me, I'll give you everything, so hold on to me. Never let me go, right here in your arms is where I wanna be. Close your eyes, only got one night, just put your trust in me, give me everything, I need your love tonight, so baby please don't fight it, put your trust in me, I'll give you everything, so hold on to me. Never let me go.
Okay. So this is the finished look. This is like the first time I've ever done anything like this with my eyeliner, and I'm kind of obsessed with it. But yeah, this is the finished look. I put red glitter on the inner corner to be like the ruby, like the birthstones is ruby, so I put red on the inner corner. I did black and brown obviously as the colors for my makeup. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. and learned something about Capricorns. I think you guys should totally, excuse me, check out the Fenty, like the new Fenty products. I'm gonna try it without the foundation because I know the foundation is a little bit more on the drier side, so I'm gonna try them out. Can't speak right now. I'm gonna try them out without the foundation just to see how it is. Like, I really like it even with the foundation. It's just that my skin is super dry. I will see you guys in the next one, which will probably be my Aquarius look. And that is all for this video. Bye.
Only got one night, just put your trust in me, give me everything.